Not really. Not specific characters, but types, you know, the stereotypes, like sometimes I'm a little more flamboyant than usual, and that happens to be Wiz. It's just how it goes. But never like suddenly I get possessed by a character. I'm gonna eat your soul.
Pretty.
Sorry, that was an asthma attack. Yeah, that kind of stuff doesn't happen. I'm not that insane. Yes. Any other questions? I'm so worried you guys are gonna leave now.
We won't leave you.
3 times already. No questions? Just gonna pancake. Story time? Once upon a time, there was an elephant named Joe. And this Joe fellow was an elephant.
Oh, really? I couldn't guess.
Now, this elephant was named Joe. And Joe happened to be precisely named Joe. So, as the story goes on, this Joe fellow, who was also an elephant, he was stalking us.